Growing up, I never really understood the magnitude of the personality that is Sachin Tendulkar. But I think for me, he was just always my father, and it was just simple. But I think after watching the movie, it's made me truly understand what everyone else thinks of him and how they respect him and stuff. And my favorite part in the movie is probably when they speak about my parents meeting and their whole romance. I think it's just really cute. And also their whole wedding, the scene is just really nice.
I think it was fantastic, very moving. It's about Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin, and it reminded us of our World Cup victory, which was very special and beautiful. And it always remains in our heart.
I don't have to say anything different. I think it was very special, very moving. All the memories from childhood came back, all the inspirational moments that inspired me to become a cricketer, Paji to become a cricketer. Everything came back and we understood his mindset. So I think it was beautifully compiled and something which is going to be a massive success, especially in our country. I think people are going to really love it. Brings out all the emotions and it's going to be a super success. So I wish him all the best.
So I'll start with that and I'll finish whatever I have to say, like a post-match presentation. So I think it's just fantastic. It's slightly different to what all of us are quite used to watching, and it's a man speaking, so it's his side of the story, what he felt at different instances throughout his career. And also Sachin had a very long career, so throughout what he went through, what were the challenges, and it's interesting to get the comments from people that were close to him, people who watched him over a period, and the family members and the close friends. And I think also what was very nice was, Anjali Bhabhi speaking, about what he thought about all the different things. And what to die for is the family videos, you know, because that's something that I miss. You know, I don't have a lot of family videos, but there are quite a few family videos in there where, you know, Paji is playing with the kids, you know, moments with Anjali Bhabhi, parents and all of that. So, you know, very inspiring, very nice, and you can also see how India changed, you know, from where he made his debut to when he retired. And there was a period when the team was accompanied with one camera, so you see a lot of shots of that. And finally, when he retired, you know, there were like 150 cameras. So there are a lot of things, very inspiring things that's there for the youngsters to see. You know, it's not only about having the talents, it's the hard work that goes through. And I think it's all about, you know, what all he had to put in, what all he had to sacrifice, and the people that supported him. And it's all about the phenomena that we call Sachin, and, you know, very inspiring, as I said. So it's a pleasure watching, don't miss it.
I wouldn't call it a movie in the first place. It was a great experience, to be very truthful. Over a 2.5 hour period, I think Sachin movie was actually significant because it completely showed me my memory lane of Indian cricket. It not only was a movie of a cricketer, a champion cricketer, it was a movie which explained how India has been over the last 25 years. Because in a country where we were actually coming out of independence and actually trying and making a lot of good news, Sachin was actually the only good news for most of us. And from there on, to actually experience that, watch him grow as a cricketer, watch India being thrown off, to actually get here has been a great experience. And I really loved it. And it's not a movie, it's an experience. I really liked it. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine. Come here.
No shouting, please!
I cannot explain how excited I am today. Sachin Tendulkar. I'm a great fan of Sachin. I know him personally. I've had the pleasure of being friends with him, know him, and I'm very, very excited today that his film Sachin A Billion Dreams is releasing. The producer of the film, Shrikant Basi, chairman of Carnival Cinema, is a dear friend. So this is truly, truly exciting. That's such a fantastic film. I can tell you how excited I am that I'm here early. I don't want to miss the picture at all. I don't want to be accused of
Go back. अरे तू तो मुस्टंड है बेच. That kid in social media. He's so young. Behind the years.
मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि वो क्रिकेटर होके उसने ये पिक्चर बनाई है और मेरा आशीर्वाद है कि वो पिक्चर चले और उसके जितनी ही चले, उसने जितने सेंचुरीज लगाई है उतना ये पिक्चर चलना चाहिए.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's
उनकी फिल्म का ऐसा प्रीमियर हो सकता था वेर आई थिंक एवरीबडी इन द कंट्री वांट्स टू सी द मूवी। मैं कल वापस आऊँगी मेरे बच्चों को लेकर ये फिल्म देखने उनके क्लास के साथ। सो आज बर्थडे इसलिए मैं भागूंगी वापस ज़रा। हाँ तो मैं तो देखो दोनों को कैसे जगल करता है।
पूरे देश की शुभकामनाएं उनके साथ हैं। मतलब वो तो ऑलरेडी हमारे हीरो हैं, ये असली हीरो हैं, इस बात की खुशी है। एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दिस ड्रीम। इज ऑलरेडी मेड 1.25 billion people's dream come true. Now we're looking forward to this film.
बोलिए। मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ सचिन की जर्नी को देखने के लिए, उसको विजुअल्स में देखने के लिए हम सभी बहुत एक्साइटेड होंगे क्योंकि ही इज़ द प्राइड ऑफ अ कंट्री। और उनके साथ में मैंने अभी हाल ही में कुछ काम भी किया है, तो एक और स्पेशल रिश्ता हुआ है हमारा, इसलिए मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ यहाँ पर आया।
I think he's the best. He's the best. Sachin's the best. Best. Thank you.
I firstly am very happy to be here and thank you Sachin sir, wishing him all the best for his lovely film.
सचिन यही निकलता है बस अंदर से, दिल से।
I think he's someone who has inspired the whole country and all of us are huge fans and it's going to be great to watch his journey once again.
कहानी अलग है और कहानी में इतना दम है कि बिलियंस ऑफ इंडियंस को बहुत सालों तक इन्होंने इंस्पायर किया है। मुझे याद है जब मैं स्कूल में था तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो मैं बार बार पूछता था स्कूल से आके वो ये था कि सचिन आउट तो नहीं हुआ। सो दैट वाज द थिंग दैट वुड डिसाइड माय डे। तो अब उनकी कहानी देखने को मिलेगी, इससे बढ़िया बात हो नहीं सकती। सर ना तो मेरी फिल्म ने जितने पैसे कमाए उससे मुझे पैसे मिले, ना तो इससे मिलेंगे, तो छोड़ो ना। बस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग ऐसे ही बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है सचिन। ही इज़ ऑलमोस्ट सिनोनिमस टू इंडिया। तो बहुत सारे लोग देखेंगे और देखना भी चाहिए क्योंकि इट्स एन इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी एंड इट्स अ स्टोरी दैट नीड्स टू बी सेड। तो
कल ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे, फिर अभी क्या बोले आप? तैयार हैं बिल्कुल, सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट हाथ में है, कल दिखाएंगे दोपहर में आपको। सब सलमान, सोहेल, मैं, प्रीतम सब होंगे। ये पता नहीं मुझे, आई डोंट थिंक अभी पहुंचे हैं वो वापस अबू धाबी से, वो शूट कर रहे थे टाइगर के लिए। आई डोंट थिंक आ जाएंगे। इस फिल्म के लिए क्या बोले, बस सचिन एक आइकॉन है, स्पेशली मेरे जनरेशन के लिए। हम तो बड़े हुए हैं उनको देखते हुए, खेलते हुए। और आई थिंक स्पोर्टिंग जो एक स्टोरीज होती हैं उससे ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी कोई स्टोरी नहीं होती है। तो एक बहुत मज़ा आता है देखने के लिए, स्पेशली एक सचिन जैसे आइकॉन की कहानी देखने के लिए तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा।
फर्स्ट लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट my Sachin moment. I'm one of the fortunate few who had the opportunity to play with him when he was 9 years old and I was 18, and see him play inside the Sabas, which is just terrific. And many years later, when he saw Lagan, he stepped out and he said to me, "Aflatun bano less." So for me, that's a very big Sachin moment. And today, to see him with this movie, I think he's stepping out again into the theatrical stadium.
या लिसन, उनकी पहली जो शूट थी फॉर बाटा पावर, कम से कम आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 26 years ago, वो मैंने की थी. सो आई नो हिम सिंस देन, वेरी क्लोज पर्सनल फ्रेंड. ये मैंने पिक्चर देखी है पहले. आई कांट टेल यू हाउ मच फन इट इज़. इट्स लाइक गोइंग डाउन मेमोरी लेन and living every moment of his amazing career.
I'm really honored and such a privilege to do the music for this movie with Sachin and James and Ravi. So I want to wish the best.
पहले तो बहुत खुशी है कि यार उनके ऊपर या उनके सारे काम को डॉक्यूमेंट करती हुई ये फिल्म बनाई है इन लोगों ने. सो जेम्स को, रवि को, सचिन को हिमसेल्फ, वो सबके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है. और आई थिंक देश भर में, देश के बाहर जो हमारे लोग हैं, सभी सचिन के नाम से इंस्पायर होते हैं, खुश होते हैं. हमारे देश की सारी होप्स उन पे इतने सालों तक टिकी रहीं और अभी भी वो हमको रास्ता दिखाते हैं. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी that somebody decided to make a film on his career and personal life. Anything else? Thank you very much.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या कह सकते हैं? कोई कुछ नहीं कह सकता. There are no words to say for this man, this icon, this legend. Really one of the greatest public figures in our young country's history, one of the greatest sportsmen of all time across sports, an inspiration to me, to I'm sure millions and millions of young Indians and young people across the world. I'm extremely happy that my brother Ravi Bhagchandka, it's his first time as a producer, and it's amazing for me to see this journey completed for him today. He's been wanting this and dreaming about this day for so long, and I've been with him through that entire process, through all these years that he's been dreaming about this day, and it's finally coming true. So it's really it's a very special day for me.
दरअसल मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि दंगल इतनी पसंद की जा रही है चाइना में और दुनिया भर में लोगों ने इतनी पसंद की है. और मुझे लगता नहीं कि किसी दो फिल्मों को कंपेयर करना चाहिए. बाहुबली बहुत ही कामयाब फिल्म है, मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं है, लेकिन जिससे मैं मिला हूँ सिर्फ तारीफ़ ही सुनी मैंने बाहुबली की. तो मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएँ, मेरी तरफ से मुबारकबाद राजा मौली जी को, उनकी पूरी टीम को. और मुझे लगता है कि ये कंपैरिजन हमको नहीं करना चाहिए. बाहुबली या दंगल दोनों अच्छी फिल्में अपनी अपनी जगह हैं, और दोनों फिल्में हिंदुस्तान की फिल्में हैं जो दुनिया भर में झंडा गाड़ रही हैं. तो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बाहुबली एज वेल, एंड एज एन इंडियन फैन आई वुड रियली अप्रिशिएट द फैक्ट दैट द फिल्म इज़ डूइंग सो वेल ऑल ओवर द कंट्री, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सचिन का मैं हमेशा से बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन रहा हूँ और मैंने ये फ़िल्म देखी है, सचिन की फ़िल्म, बहुत ही खूबसूरत फ़िल्म है। किसी भी सचिन फ़ैन के लिए ये एक बहुत ही जज्बाती फ़िल्म है, क्योंकि हम सचिन की जो पूरी जर्नी रही है उसको हम एक बार फिर एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं बड़े पर्दे पर, और उनके ज़िंदगी में, उनके करियर में जो इम्पॉर्टेंट मोमेंट्स आए हैं वो सब हम एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। तो जब मैंने फ़िल्म देखी तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आई। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हु आर सच बिग फैंस ऑफ सचिन विल रियली लव दिस फिल्म, और ख़ास तौर से जो उनकी लास्ट स्पीच जो हमेशा रुलाती है हम सबको, तो आई रियली लव द फिल्म एंड आई रियली विश सचिन एंड द इंटायर टीम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। मुझे यकीन है कि ये फिल्म बहुत ही कामयाब होगी और लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगी।
I'm sorry मैं इवेंट ख़त्म करके आई हूँ, but I want to run upstairs and at least catch something. Just that it's such a privilege to be born at a time when one has seen somebody like him. He is really great, and you know, once in a millennium, somebody comes and inspires billions of people, and he's one of those people. And I like Ravi to have made a film like this. It's like a huge thing, and I'm really excited to be here, and I want to go meet Sachin, so I think I'm going to run now.
I got so emotional through the movie. I'm a huge fan of Sachin's, and this movie has really made us understand the struggles and hard work that has gone behind making of the Sachin Tendulkar. So really full of admiration for what he's achieved in this lifetime. Congratulations, Sachin.
Thank you. Sachin, congratulations. All of us have known you as family now for many decades. But watching this film even taught us many things that we didn't know about you. And I think that it is really a heartwarming experience. Where time flew in the film and it is an experience. All of you have to just experience it to really understand Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin, congratulations again. You make India proud, and I'm sure that in the coming years also you'll do the same.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right now, it's a very emotional feeling. Apart from the life history of Sachin, I just believe that it's a fantastic film for the pride of India. And I was just telling Sachin, this film should be shown to every individual in the country. It should be shown in every school, not just because we are so proud of Sachin, but how proud he has made the country. And I hope that somebody listens to it and shows this film to the rest of the country.
Well, I've been a huge admirer of Sachin's. I've always said very publicly that Sachin is one of my idols, and to get the privilege to experience his journey today is very emotional. And I just told him actually, I said, you know, Sachin isn't just a person, Sachin is an emotion. Sachin is India's emotion. And after the release of this film, I think the world will know that he's the world's emotion. I wish them all the very best. It's a beautiful film. And I feel very privileged that I have the honor to say that I know Sachin Tendulkar.
Good evening, and we're talking about Sachin. You don't need to say much. It's the national chant. I think when you just say Sachin, Sachin, it pretty much says it all for all of us. So proud of him.
Well done, Sachin.
It's congratulations to the entire team
Well done, really. It's very
to have the nation celebrate him.
How they I also went here.
We know him personally, so the emotion is personal as
Thank
well. And obviously, I relate to his family sentiments. So I was very moved and very overwhelmed, and of course extremely proud, as every Indian has been and will always be.
Thank you very much. You know, from real life to real life. In real life also I had unbelievable support, and I was the reason I was able to carry on for 24 years. So from real life to real life also, you know, the support as you guys can see, it's been tremendous. And I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who turned up and wished well. They enjoyed the movie, and they had various feedbacks which are, you know, heartwarming. So once again, thank you very much, and thank you to all of you for being so patient and bearing this make us son. I think it's not so easy. So thank you so very much. And हिंदी में अगर बोलूँ, ओके, मेरे रियल लाइफ में बहुत सपोर्ट किया मुझे लोगों ने, और मैं कहूँगा कि उसी वजह से 24 साल खेल पाया, और वो प्यार आज भी है। रियल लाइफ से रियल लाइफ में भी देख रहा हूँ कि प्यार अभी भी है। और जिस तरह से बहुत सारी हस्तियाँ यहाँ पे आई और मुझे सपोर्ट किया, मुझे ब्लेस किया, काफ़ी सारे सीनियर लोग भी यहाँ पे थे, उन्होंने ब्लेस किया, तो मैं उनको शुक्रिया करना चाहूँगा यहाँ पे। और लोगों को यही कहूँगा कि है ना, वो जाए मूवी देखे और एंजॉय करे। आई थिंक जिस तरह से हमने पूरी जान लगाई है शूटिंग करने में, और जो भी मेरे लाइफ में हुआ है वो दिखाने में, लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया है यहाँ पे जिसने मूवी देखी है। तो आप एंजॉय करेंगे मूवी, यही होप करता हूँ। थँक्यू व्हेरी मच। मी रियल लाईफमध्ये मला ज्या प्रकारे सगळ्यांनी सपोर्ट केला, 24 वर्ष खेळलो आणि लोकांनी एवढं प्रेम दिलं, आणि ज्या प्रकारे स्टेडियममध्ये येऊन माझ्यासाठी ऑलवेज प्रे करायचे, त्याचा रिझल्ट फार चांगला लागला होता। आणि रिअल लाईफमध्ये आत्ता रिअल लाईफमध्ये जातो आहे मी, माझ्या लाईफवरती ही मूवी आहे। अनेक मोठे मोठे माणसं इकडे आली आणि त्याने मला ब्लेस केलं, त्याने त्यांच्या बिझी प्रोग्राममधनं वेळ काढून इकडे आले ते, आणि मूवी पण बघितली माझी। तर मी हेच सगळ्यांना सांगू इच्छितो की आहे ना, ज्या प्रकारे तुम्ही मला आत्तापर्यंत प्रेम देत आलात तसंच करत राहा। ही मूवी एक माझ्या लाईफवरती मूवी आहे, तर मी अशीच अपेक्षा करतो की तुम्ही एन्जॉय कराल, कारण आम्ही मनापासून जेवढा आम्हाला प्रयत्न करता येईल तेवढा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे, आणि मूवी चांगली करण्याचा प्रयत्न करा। थँक्यू व्हेरी मच।
थँक्यू।